County Commissioners Court, June 20th, 2013, 1 p.m. session. See who can lead the
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. For thine is the kingdom, and the power, and the glory forever. Amen. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible.
Public comment, we have Sabrina personnel, and on public comment, by law, we can't respond to you specifically after you make the public comment. So perhaps, I don't know what comments on, but perhaps your question will be answered in listening to the discussion once we get to that.
Yes, sir.
You may make your public comment now.
Okay, well, it's really about the IT infrastructure.
Well, that's what I'm saying.
So if it's answered later, then maybe I should just listen first before I.
Well, I guess you won't have another opportunity to speak.
Okay.
So if you have some things we won't take in consideration that you want to say, well, that's fine.
Okay, well, first I was reading the budget workshop, what came out of that, and I noticed that you guys had a $100,000 budget for the IT plus an additional $50,000 for 2 employees for an IT department. That's an unrealistic cost. I'm an IT, that's what I do for a living. I'm a consultant. I go and I build DoD networks. I'm very familiar with it. If you're gonna pay for somebody to do all of your IT work in an IT department for $25,000 each, how's that gonna cover their insurance and even their paycheck for those qualifications that you're looking for?
I don't think that's what was said.
Hmm?
I think there was a misunderstanding of what was said.
Well,
I don't.
we'll discuss it in item 2 here. That's all you need to
Yeah,
say.
it's just, I want you guys to understand it's an incredibly large undertaking to make your own IT department.
We understand that.
So, I mean, the
We-
fiber optics.
Like she said, I think you probably misunderstood what was said. So, okay. Item 2, Vernon Brazell, Wilson County Treasurer.
Treasurer?
Treasurer. Auditor.
Okay. Sorry about
Discuss,
that.
approve, formation of budget, including salaries
Wait
for our IT department. And you dismissed.
I'm resigning if I have to do what she does. I'm not even going there. Okay.
Well, sorry about that. We'll correct that.
What I'd like to do is to be able to set some kind of a salary that we could possibly offer to an IT department director.
I'm just curious, how did the conception that some folks have had, and not just this lady, that we were gonna pay $25,000?
I have no idea. I think there must have been.
Misunderstanding
I think
somehow.
when we had the meeting, and I didn't jot down notes, but I think I said something on the need about $150,000 to start an IT department, and, probably 100 in salary and maybe 50 in some equipment and stuff, so I'm not real sure where the 25,000, I don't know.
Okay.
It was misquoted and.
Well, kind of the genesis to this in a way is, what's the young man named that was employed at the school?
Holcomb.
Holcomb. We utilized him, he was the IT person for the school, we utilized him a number of times for advice, and he's actually, he has saved us a ton I've never heard anyone say one word about him that hadn't been, that he really knows what he's doing, and he's, you know, and, so that, kind of something. And I think I can make a comment about an individual without it being against the law either. So, anyway. Go ahead.
Well, I didn't know what y'all wanted to do, if y'all wanted to discuss this, since it's salaries, do we?
I think we ought to go into executive session, if we want to talk about employment and salary.
Any?
On the motion of a member, and when we're talking about
On motion,
individuals.
go in executive session pursuant Commissioners Court Reserve, let's see, section 551 of .071 through section 551.076 of the Texas Government Code. As motion been made for an executive session by Commissioner Fowles, second by Commissioner Gomez, all those in favor?
Aye. Aye. We ought to keep the,
106.
Judge, we need to keep the auditor.
And the county attorney, and the
Clerk.